Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. Hope you're having a good day. I'm just coming on. I want to show you a few things. I want to ask you a couple questions. And first, I want to show you, I've been playing with resin. I love resin. I always play with resin. You guys know I love to experiment and do all that. So I've been experimenting layers and stuff in resin. And one of the greatest things I discovered is the multi-surface paints. Now, of course, I use folk art plaid, but there are other multi-surface paints out there. I used the glitter and the paint, and look at that on the back. That's these paints, the multi-surface on resin. And then I just want to show you. See how I layered? Like I put them in first, then I did that. That was just a piece of resin that was left over from something that I colored. But look at the, like, it's so hard to see the different shifts of the colors in there. And then I have the glitter, like the night sky, and then I put the blue behind it. This was supposed to be a moon. As you can see, it's sticking here. Like I stuck it in, that's what she said. And you can see, you know, I mean, it kind of got the glitter and everything in it too, but it didn't come out exactly how I wanted it, but I am still loving it. So I have this one that I'm going to paint. This is layered as well. The dog, you know, the guy was in first, and then I put resin, and then I put the dog in, and I'm debating on whether to put another layer in or not, because it's kind of big. I'm just experimenting, playing. I want to know what you guys thought, and if you wanted to see, you know, me playing with it. And then there is this sweet, sweet one. This is Mod Melt. I made into a rose and a little ballerina, but how cute. So I'm gonna do like pink glitter and just like really glitter her out. So I love these. I've been playing. Very exciting. And the other thing I want to ask you is I have a bunch of arts and crafts magazines, and I have a bunch of books that I am getting rid of. I didn't know if any of you would be interested. They would be like totally discounted. I'd probably do like I have cloth paper scissors, Somerset mixed media, those kind. I'm going to do them cheaply. Some of them, like the cloth paper scissors, are thin, so I'll probably do like 3 in a pack. I don't know, cheap, under 10 bucks. So let me know if you guys are interested, and as well as books. I have Wiccan books, I have books to read. I will definitely send them out very inexpensively. I'd rather do that than get rid of them, but let me know down below, and I'll do a video where I'll show you, you know, what I'm selling, and if you guys want it, then you can just PayPal me, and I'll send them right out. And yeah, and about these, do you guys want to see painting these and doing these, or does this not interest you? I don't know. I love them. It's my obsession. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And I know you guys keep asking and messaging me for videos on the clay and how I've been doing them, which I've used these as well. I'll have a video of that coming up very soon. I'm hoping tomorrow. I have a couple videos that I have to finish and put up, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know down below what you guys think, and yeah, bye-bye.